Alright, welcome back to Shuswap Marina Used Boat Sales. On the lot today we have this 1992 Regal Commodore 270. 27-foot cruiser in very good condition. It is powered by a 7.4 liter 454 big block Volvo Penta engine with a Duoprop stern drive. A really good power package for this boat. Gets up and cruises really nicely. This boat has been used on Shuswap Lake for the last few years, and these current owners have serviced it with us exclusively. They've been good about maintaining the exterior cosmetically as well, which is always a good sign. This boat does not come with a trailer. But there's a lot of other cool features that we can show you as we walk around here. So it does have a Tohatsu 20 horsepower 4-stroke electric start power tilt kicker motor that does also have remote electric steering. It is not wireless controlled, it is wired, but it is remote steering. It does have a barbecue on the transom here, transom shower. We'll hop up on board and show you more about it there. Alright, and here we are up on the swim grid of the Regal Commodore 270. As you can see, we've got a really nice layout for entertaining up on the sun deck here. We've got snap-out carpets, which is a great feature. All the upholstery is actually in really good shape. Some minor wear here and there, which is to be expected with the age. You've got a nice clean dash setup. All the gauges look really good. You've got your remote control for the kicker motor and also the wireless electric steering remote for the kicker. There is a table that mounts up here in the cockpit. It's a really nice level seating area. It's a really good entertaining platform up here. Really nicely laid out. There is no walk-through windshield, but you do have access to the bow along the coaming sides, which you actually have a relatively generous footpath moving forward, and I believe there is a sun pad included with the boat that goes up on the bow here. We do have a Lowrance SD5, I believe it's a chart plotter fish finder, plus the VHF. As we head down below, we've got a really nice clean cabin area. And very spacious for the size of boat, once again. We've got a nice big dinette area, and then your V-berth can stay set up all the time. You do have privacy curtains here. We're just running all natural light, and as you can see, it's very bright down here. Lots of windows. And then also, all the windows have nice coverings, so you can actually make it pretty dark in here for when you want to get some shut-eye. There is a Kenwood Bluetooth stereo. You'll also see pictures in the listing of this table down in the bed position, which makes this a very nice, comfortable size berth up here. We've got a little flip-up extension to the countertop, which is handy. Sink, the 1-burner alcohol electric stove. Alcohol electric stove. And then you've got a nice clean fridge here as well. Keep coming around here. Got a really nice full width aft cabin. Nice little seat here to help get ready. And also nice hanging locker back here. And as you can see, this is a nice, very generous sized bed back here. You got 3 port lights so it doesn't get stuffy, which is nice. And I'll swing around here to the head. Once again, very clean. You've got an electric toilet, so no manual pumping for the flushing. And then you've got a sink and shower in here. Once again, for the size of boat, a really nice setup. As we come back out to the cockpit, kind of once again getting a good appreciation for, you know, the amount of space there is up here, which is really nice and generous. We'll pop open the engine hatch and show you what that's about. So here we have the engine compartment of the Regal 270 Commodore. This boat is powered by a Volvo Penta 7.4 liter 454 cubic inch big block V8. And this vintage making about 300 horsepower. It is carbureted. As you can see, it is pretty nice and clean down in the engine room. We've got house batteries plus a starting battery. This boat has been maintained by us for this current owner, and they've always been a no questions asked, fix it, make it right customer, which is something we always like to make people aware of. So this boat is running really well, as it should. Well, there you have it. It's a 1992 Regal Commodore 270 7.4 liter big block power Volvo Duoprop stern drive. Really clean, ready to get you out on the water, be your cabin on the lake, either out here on Shuswap Lake or any other place you want. Thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.